Hello, I'm Dr. Sheetal Maharaj. Welcome to Impact Health Sharing. At Impact, we're committed to our members' satisfaction. The first step is helping you make an informed decision about whether our membership is the right fit for you. We welcome everyone who seeks an affordable healthcare solution and shares our belief in the power of sharing medical bills, regardless of religion or creed. Now, let's quickly review how pre-existing conditions may affect your membership. Good news for those enrolled in our senior program. Pre-existing conditions do not apply to you. To begin, it's important to note that once you become a member, new medical needs that meet our guidelines can be considered for sharing by the community. A pre-existing condition is any health issue where you've had signs, symptoms, testing, treatment, diagnosis, or use of medication in the 36 months before joining. These conditions are not eligible for sharing. To simplify, signs are measurable things, like an abnormal test result. Symptoms are things that you feel, like dizziness or chest pain. Your medical records are used to verify eligibility for sharing, based on our published guidelines. If your records show a pre-existing condition, those expenses aren't eligible. That said, there are thoughtful considerations built into the guidelines, especially for some of the most common health concerns. Let's take a closer look at a few frequently asked questions and how they're handled. For conditions like high blood pressure or high cholesterol, medications and routine visits related to those conditions are not eligible for sharing. However, if your condition is well managed with medication, as documented in your medical records, and you experience a heart attack or stroke after becoming a member, that need may be eligible for sharing by the community. We also have specific guidelines for cancer. Routine follow-up screenings after a past diagnosis aren't eligible for sharing. However, once you're a member, if your cancer returns, treatment and related care may be eligible for sharing with the community. Cancer-related expenses are also eligible for sharing after 36 consecutive months of membership, if there were no cancer-related medications, symptoms, re-diagnosis, or treatment during that time. If you have any questions about pre-existing conditions and how it applies to you or your family, don't hesitate to call us. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for choosing Impact Health Sharing. We look forward to supporting your healthcare journey.